Alright, I had a lot of requests to do an extra video here and show how to actually connect to the Wi-Fi Borescope. So first off, I was wrong. There is a battery in this. I wasn't sure if there was one before, but once you have it charged up however much you want, battery life is pretty good on it. You want to go ahead and flip this little switch so that way it goes to on. And then you will see your little green light over here, which means it's broadcasting. If you have it plugged into your charger, it's going to show up red, and it'll actually show up red this way, and then yellowy kind of that way, and it'll flash too as well between the green and the red while it's charging. Once we have turned on the Wi-Fi and it's broadcasting by yellow, we'll go ahead and click on it. I've already stored how to connect to it, but the password is really basic. It's just 8 number 8s. So 88888888. And then once we've connected to it, we are now connected to this actual Borescope. You'll need to go ahead and download the program from the Play Store or your App Store. It's called Wi-Fi Borescope. Really easy to download. It's not very big. It's a small program. And then once you've downloaded it and installed it, go ahead and open. And then you can see that immediately the Borescope is already working. So here's something I wanted to show you. I did find that if you're moving a lot, of course it's a little blurry, but you need to be about 2 centimeters away to get like the best focus. At least 2 centimeters. If you're closer than that, it's a little blurry. I mean, you can still see what you're trying to see. But like obviously that right there, you can see the ABOX just fine. You can also see the little hair that I've got on there. So anyway, that's how well it works. It's really simple. If you wanted to take a video, you hit the video button. If you wanted to take a picture, you hit the picture button. You can also go into the gallery from here. There's really not a whole lot more to it other than that. But it's pretty simple, pretty self-explanatory. Thanks for watching, guys.